Hi, my name is Ian McCormick, and I am the Systems Architect and Events Technician at International Legal Technology Association. I am responsible for the design and execution of technology in our Salesforce environment. Our organization is a nonprofit serving the legal industry with education and events surrounding technology, best practices, and all things electronic. In 2021, we were migrating to and launching our Salesforce Sales Cloud platform for approximately 30,000 community users. We were in the process of consolidating many of our daily operational services into Salesforce. This included membership, events management, accounting, e-commerce, and marketing. We were strongly invested in running our e-commerce through Salesforce as part of our migration to a new platform, but found that the price points for many of the leading providers was beyond our budget. So then we turned to designing an in-house solution that could serve us and found that the overhead and required hours to maintain a code base was not sustainable given the size of our staff. As an organization, we stopped once more and had to ask ourselves, what is a viable, cost-effective way to integrate our online catalog, payment processor, and our internal order process while maintaining flexibility for further customization down the road? This is where the WedgeCommerce solution was integral for connecting all of those pieces together. We were now able to have a hands-free payment processing of events registrations, membership renewals, sponsorships, and even publications. We were able to create a process between our sales and accounting teams for seamless transition from opportunity management, order management, to a front-facing, secure PCI-compliant payment processor. Because of WebCool's design of WedgeCommerce, we were able to still maintain our simple automations in Salesforce and perform proper transactions. It increased productivity by freeing the hands of several staff members from walking through the transactions with users individually. We were able to accommodate more customers at one time, minimizing the time needed from start to finish for the transaction. And we were able to present this in an experience builder site that was easy to navigate and shared branding with our default community page, making adoption very simple. The team at WebCool, under the advisement of Abhishek, did a remarkable job, faithfully executing the initial scope of work in approximately 6 weeks. Our troubleshooting and tweaking phase was very minimal, and it was mostly resolved through education and training, not hot fixes. As a point of full transparency, it is wise and a recommendation to have all business requirements and an understanding of potential edge cases before finalizing a plan moving forward. This makes it easier on your implementation team to work with development without needing to change gears midway and ensure that your statement of work matches your cost and budgeting. The WedgeCommerce team dove right in with our business requirements and presented a base-level solution for an easy point of entry. As our requirements evolved, the team worked diligently to accommodate, create, turn around, and prioritize our needs in the product sprint cycle. The team also provided much-needed documents and screen captures to instruct our teams to use the new features upon release. The consultant and developer presented thoughtful solutions and was open to a transparent conversation about any major complications between our current setup and a design specification. The team went above and beyond and spent time understanding our current setup to ensure that WedgeCommerce fit, like a puzzle piece, into the architecture. We really want to say thank you so much to WebCool. We look forward to working with them in the future.